Hello friends, in this video I will show how to enable phone call access in Windows 11. So very simple and basic way guys, just open Start. Now here search settings, open settings. Now here click on privacy and security. Now scroll down underneath app permissions. Click on phone calls. Here you will see options phone call access. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps can make phone calls when this is on. So to enable, select this setting to on. Also, if you need, so turn on, let apps make phone calls. Now close and restart your system. So this is the way you can enable and turn on phone call access in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.